Ba't ganun yung painting doon?
Ang alin?
Parang hindi tapos.
Well, it's called Impressionism. Unfinished. Sketch-like. You know, Paulo's so good. He's so young. He's so talented. I mean, I think his influences are Monet and Degas. Oh, it's Paulo! Let's go, let's go! How are you?
Yuri!
Congratulations! I'm sorry, this is my wife, Cassie.
Hello.
Hi,
Nice
I'm
to meet you. How do you find my exhibit?
It's fantastic.
I hope you like it.
Let's go. Very, very good. I'm excited to see everything.
You're gonna love this painting.
Really? Show me.
Here,
Wow. Wow, this one I like. I like this one.
I will show you another one. Come. Yuri, so far this is my masterpiece.
Really? Where?
Take a look at this.
Cassie, ito ba gusto mo?
Maganda siya, pero tingin muna ako sa iba.
What was your inspiration for this one?
The artist was inspired by the cathedral in Spain.
Really? The one in Barcelona? Wow. You know, I've been there with my family so many times. Maybe you wanna join us one time, you know, to travel in Europe. Well, I think it looks fantastic. It's a little bit modern, right?
Yes, it is actually was modern.
What's this? Cassie! Come here, tingnan mo naman to. Look at this. It's fantastic. Hello, Cassie.
Happy anniversary. You like my gift?
Cassie, I'm sorry. Nakalimutan ko ang anniversary natin. Thank you for this.
I made reservations for tonight.
Cassie naman. I'm sorry. Babawi ako sa'yo bukas. May closed door meeting kasi ako kasama ng partido. Nakalimutan ko ang anniversary natin, so I said yes. Cassie, I promise you, babawi ako sa'yo bukas. Alright?
Okay.
Wifey?
Ma'am, nasa room na po si sir.
Sige, ako nang bahala. Thank you.
Okay po, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, I must have the wrong
Honey, is
room
that room
number.
service? Cassie, sandali lang. Sandali lang, huwag mo naman gawin to, please.
Kung alam ko lang na sa tuwing nagsisiping tayo, 10 callboy na palang pinatulan mo. Sana naging
Hindi naman ako ganun eh.
hindi ka pumapatol sa callboy. Dahil ano, mayaman at sosyal ang pinapatulan mo.
Hindi ko gusto.
Ano yun? Kinidnap at ginapos ka?
Cassie, sandali. Let's not dwell on this anymore. I promise, I'll never do it again. Hindi na mauulit.
Ano kaya sasabihin ng daddy mo, no? Na yung uniko iho niya, yung golden boy niya na ginugroom niya para maging mayor ng Silayan, isa palang golden girl.
Ano ba gusto mo mangyari? Binablackmail mo ba ako?
Hindi! Kung hahayaan mo ko umalis dito ng tahimik, hindi mo ako guguluhin at hindi mo ako papakialaman. Titikom ko yung bibig ko. Palabasin mo na ako yung pinakamasamang tao. Okay lang, wala akong pakialam. Huling tawad na yan. 1 minuto pa na nandito ako ngayon, mangangati na yung dila ko. Lloyda,
Ma'am?
Pakisunod yung maleta sa kotse.
Opo, ma'am.
Kasi...